Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this video is about a PVC riser that my wife, Misdemeanor, and I put together. We did a little bit of research and decided this is the way we're going to go. But before I jump into that, I just wanted to ask if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like the video, make that comment below, let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network, and it's really important for our smaller YouTubers. All right, keep us going. All right. This is Chirp's riser, and this is our proof of concept. This is what I call the cube. It is a little bit wider than the front to back measurement of his cage, but it's shorter than the side to side measurement. This gives his cage a bit more stability, and it was just actually it's an accidental benefit. But I didn't want it to be the same dimensions of his cage, which I could have done, but the problem with that is he would have lost a little bit of stability, and he is sitting higher than he used to be. He used to be about yay high. The top of the cage used to be about this high, but now he's up there looking loud and proud up there in his cage. Good boy, Chirp. Good boy. Sing that song. All right. So the other thing I'm going to do is talk about his connections that he has on here, and I want you to notice that there's a square on the floor. Okay, so there is a frame on the floor. The bed doesn't have that, and you can see right there the riser there doesn't have that floor component on it. Right, so we save these three-way pieces. There's 4 of those we no longer need, but we're going to need other connections, and I'll show you that, and you can actually see where those are, and I'll discuss that. So there's 12 sections of pipe in this cube, and there's 8 of these three-way connections because there's a pipe going to the floor, a pipe going this way, and a pipe shooting into the back. The bed is the same way, but halfway down the bed, there's another connection. So we have 2 sections of pipe, a connection here, and a pipe going straight into the center of the bed, and a pipe coming down to the floor. So let's take a look at that. So we have the front leg here, then we have the center leg here, and then we have the headboard head up here. But there's no headboard. Talk about that in a minute. So there's 3 legs coming down on this side, and including this leg here on the corner again, there's 3 legs coming this way too. There's another center section here, and then off camera a little bit, there's the 3rd leg. So this section here in the center needs a different kind of a connection. And let's kind of tilt the camera that direction, or spin it that direction a little bit, and you see all 3 legs. All right. So this end here, okay, this front end, and this other corner here, the corner sections have that 3-way connection, because there's 3 pipes coming into them, that's it. There isn't a pipe going diagonal or anything anywhere in here. All the pipes run straight. This one here, however, needs 4 connections. There's a pipe coming from the left, a pipe coming from the right, a pipe coming to the floor, and there's 1 more pipe which shoots over to the center part of the bed. Under the center part of the bed, the thing that's holding this whole flat portion up is a 9th leg. So there's 3 legs here, 3 legs across the middle, and 3 legs on the top. There's 9 legs. There's a 5-way connector in the center. That's the only 5-way. There's 1 of those. And then there are 4 of the 4 ways in the center and 4 of the 3 ways here in the corners. All right, so that's it. So we connect them all up, and we did it upside down. Built this thing upside down. We put them all together and everything. Made sure everything was right. And once we got it together, we brought it in here and made sure everything was flush and level and all that kind of stuff. Then I took it back outside, and we went for the gluing it together kind of things. We glued it together. Now I got to tell you that between the time of checking everything out and then gluing it together, there was a time span. There was a difference in there. We actually left it together unglued to see how things were fit and finished, see if we liked it and everything else. Maybe we'd repurpose the thing if we didn't like it and all that, and reuse these pipes and connections and stuff. But we loved it. So we decided to go ahead, lock it down, glue it together, make it nice and safe and sturdy. So we have a 9-legged riser on our bed. And it was all because of Chirp's proof of concept. All right. Now, I didn't go through all the fine details of everything, but I did have to customize almost every single cut that I did to make it to fit perfect, because the mattress here, it's not a standard mattress. So I went with a standard like king size 80 by 80 or whatever they are. And I made my frame originally, but then I had to reconnect it. And that's another reason not to glue it together right away, because you want to make sure if you have to custom fit it, you get that done, all right? And there's other fine details that I kind of left out of the video here, but it's a nice clean look. You can see it's on a tile floor. It's not ceramic tile, it's that kind of a plastic kind of tile or whatever, press and stick tile kind of thing, because we have cats, okay? So if you have any questions or anything, like, well, how come you didn't push your bed back against the wall? What's this other bed doing in front of the bed? If you have any questions, or why are things positioned where they're positioned and everything else, the answer is always going to have something to do with a cat. It's going to be for the safety, the health, and the well-being of the cat, or it's going to be for us maintaining our sanity because we take care of the cats and we clean the cats and everything, and we have a lot of cats. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you. But if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Let me know you have a question. I'll answer it down there, and we'll take it from there. All right. So thanks for watching this far, and again, give me that thumbs up, like the video, make the comment below, let me know you came by to say hi, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate that growth on the network. Until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.